Annapolis inventory continues to come to the market with the median price of those listed for sale at $822,000. It's Friday, June 21st, 2024, and yesterday was the official start of summer and the longest day of the year. I hope you celebrated appropriately. I certainly did. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. There are 138 resale homes for sale, with another 17 coming soon. 29 hit the market over the past week. 35 went under contract in 7 median days since the last report. 28 homes sold in 6 days at 100.3% list to sold ratio. Prices are up 16.6% year to date in 21409. That's the zip code with the biggest jump in home prices. Prices in 21403 have fallen 0.3%, while 21401 inched up 2.4%. Rentals in the area rose to 36 at $2,875 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 21st, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week.